Hi, my name is Andy MacKenzie. I'm a chef at Lainston House in Winchester. We're supporting the farmers market and we're doing some little videos about how to use some of the wonderful produce that they have on sale at the farmers market right now. And today we're going to be talking about this wonderful product, this beautiful loin of venison from Newhouse Game down there in the forest. And this is a lovely loin that we're going to cook, and we're going to cook it just like you cook a steak. So really, you know, we're looking at kind of rare, well done, and kind of medium. We want it to be sort of medium, between medium and medium rare, and we're going to do this by feel. But it's the same as cooking a steak, and we always a little bit afraid of cooking a bit of venison. It tastes absolutely fantastic. We're going to do it with some simple accompaniments. We're going to do some little cooked potatoes with some green beans, some chestnut mushroom. We're going to roll the venison with some salt and some rosemary and some black pepper. We're going to cook it with a lovely piquant sauce with some blackberries, some game stock, some red wine, a little bit of red currant jelly, and a little bit of garlic as well. Just a simple dish we're going to put together for this little video, and I hope you can just replicate it at home. It's not difficult. If I can do it, anybody can do it, I promise you. I hope you've enjoyed our little video today, just simply using this wonderful Newhouse venison from Newhouse Game. Support the farmers market, have a go at doing this simple recipe, nice and simple. I hope you just follow the steps. We'll put a bit more detail in the video for you to see. Well, you're going to see it anyway. Hey, enjoy, make the most and support the farmers market, Hampshire Farmers Market. all the time because they deserve your support. Thank you.